Yo, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Apex Vision TV. My boy Dom actually surprised me with something for the FRS. As far as it goes, man, it's slow. I'll be honest, but it's still the most fun I've ever had with a car. But it needs torque like bad, so that's something that I wasn't in necessarily a rush to do. But it moved up moved up my priority list for the car. Obviously, it handles great, but it has a lot more body roll than you would expect. 1 and 2, it really needs tires. But in the meantime, until I do coilovers, Dom actually surprised me with with this right here, and the title will give it away. But it is a Strut tower bar. I've been calling it a sway bar for the past like 2-3 days, but it's actually a GrimmSpeed piece. So it is one solid piece, and it's a straightforward install. Just goes across here.
Oh yeah,
like this. GrimmSpeed in that corner. So
yeah, it's definitely a nice piece.
Yeah, it's a nice piece.
Shout out GrimmSpeed. So we ordered one and we got it in, and they man, it's hot than a mug out here. But so we had ordered a piece. It came in the other day. I showed it to David. When it came in, it was kind of scraped up. So
you still got it in the house, or did you take it to the post office?
No, we already shipped it out. So we talked to GrimmSpeed. They actually next day aired us a brand new one, because the one we had was like chipped up. I don't know.
It was chipped up pretty bad, like right around here.
Yeah, I don't know if maybe the shipper just like dropped it
a little bit. It looks like the shipper dropped it, but go ahead and finish.
So like I said, just shout out to GrimmSpeed. They made it right. I already shipped the other one back out to them. So
yeah, they were real quick from what I understand. Install literally should take 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's definitely.
It'd be really even easier if I had an impact, just so we could do it fast. But I want to try to do this in real time, so we'll drop it real quick. Another thing I gotta do, come with used cars, I guess. This radiator overflow is not the OE one.
Yeah, but I mind all this coolant everywhere.
This is terrible. But anyway, I want to get the Mishimoto one that tucks down a lot better, so the hose isn't kind of dangling. So that'll actually be the next install we do here. I gotta do transmission fluid. I was actually gonna do that today, but the spacer plugs, by the time the dealership opened, it was already 1,000 degrees. So let's knock this out real quick.
And just so y'all know, this Arizona sun is no joke. It's like 117 right now or something. So
I looked at my phone a little bit earlier. It was 115.
Yeah, it doesn't get colder. Like, you can come out here at 10 o'clock at night, it's still gonna be like 105. So you know.
Other really good sway bars. My boy Brian, he wants the TRD one. I call it a sway bar again. He wants the TRD one. That's full carbon fiber. The AEM one seems to be the best one, because it's goes here, and it's actually, you replace all the pieces, but
it's one total like triangle kind of.
Yeah, let's knock this up. I'll tighten it.
Well, this might be the easiest install we've ever did.
Oh, we are still rolling, huh? But yeah.
You said you was gonna do a time lapse.
Real time. Well, no, real time. But yeah, man, it's slow. I do wanna. I'm starting to lean a bit more towards unequal length. As far as headers go right now, and all you need is just a 12 millimeter. I'll have you double check to make sure I didn't over tighten it. Or, but
ain't no over tightening that. You going as hard as you want.
But yeah, I'm leaning towards the catted unequal length header from FT86. It's pretty cool because it's coated already too. I didn't realize how much more exhaust costs with the header, with the cat on it already, versus no cat. No cat is between like $650 to $800 for like NVIDIA, HKS. They all make a catless header, but I don't know, unless you really going for like big power. Man, get your cats. Like if it's an NA car, like I don't see why you can't have a cat on there. And plus, I don't have to take the fucking thing off to go do emissions. So.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? So we're back doing our first impression of the GrimmSpeed Strut race. David dipped out because it was like 1,000,000 degrees, but then he swung back by. I figured we could just finish the video, so
yeah.
I'll let David spill the beans.
Yeah, I figured may as well just finish the video, but I will say right away, like when like in the Lexus, because you know I got the coils on there, I love to do this, and obviously it's not gonna cut to the same extent, but I can tell the difference right away. And one of our little freeway exits that I take going towards my parents' house, because the road was so bad before, I actually wouldn't stay in it. And I mean, I can't do the same surprise reaction again, but with that being said, I still want to get the video done so we can put it out. Definitely makes a difference, but I mean it still ain't a torque monster. But all right, so this
test the difference.
This my little exit right here that I like to take. Tell me how fast the car is. Not how fast it is, but how. This is the first place where I really notice like the body roll. Slow boy's life, but flat out, just keep going. And so I would say 100% is worth the $140. Big thanks to Don for surprising me. It was something that I was getting to, but I mean, with the little maintenance stuff of the car being used, I was kind of like, you know, I'll get to it. Plus the GS, so big surprise. If you're wondering, is like just the sway bar gonna make a difference? Call it a sway bar, strut tower bar. If it's gonna make a difference, I can say, load the camera a little bit. Can you see? I can say, yeah, it definitely does. Anything else you want to add?
No. We'll see what we add next.
All right, so last two questions. One, which strut tower bar is your favorite? Comment down below. And two, if you were in my unlimited budget, what motor would you throw in here, and what would be like your goal for the car in general? For me, I'll say SR86. Stroked out SR20 or the Honda S2000 motor turbo. But what about you, Dom?
I'm gonna let y'all talk about the motors and these joints. You know, I'm just a European guy. I'm boring.
So
I am gonna try to get an old school soon, though.
So Dom's gonna get an old school, but Comment below what motor you would put in here for 500 horsepower built, you know, whatever. Hey, Vision out.